I have CNN News 18's Nikhil Lakhwani joining me on the broadcast. Nikhil, a very good morning to you. What recent details do you have on this story for us?
Well, as far as the recent details are concerned, we are currently reporting from different parts of the Gurugram city. So far, the situation is by and large peaceful. Yesterday, there were some of the places, particularly in Sector 67 of Gurugram, where the violence broke out, where some of the people vandalized few of the shops. But now it appears that the situation is by and large peaceful. The internet connectivity is smooth, and also there is no problem as far as the commute is concerned. But there are some of the private offices who have now reached out to their employees, requesting them to work from home for today as well. There were no official guidelines which were issued from the district administration in context to the work from home facility or any of the other facility, but now gradually we are getting to know that few of the offices have reached out to some of the employees. But talking furthermore, so far what we do know is that close to 80 of the arrests have taken place, 44 of the FIR have been filed, and most of the FIRs have been filed in Noor district, where the violence started in the very first place. But Sohna, Pataudi and Manisa is one such place where the internet connectivity has been suspended. Apart from it, there is also closure of the school, be it the private or the government school, in connection with that of the Sona, which is the subdivision of the Gurugram. But the situation, the traffic movement and everything else in context to the law and order is smooth in Gurugram city. And also we have spoken to some of the people who are still expecting the district administration to reach out to them. But apart from it, the security has also it has increased in some parts of the capital city. In fact, now we are learning that the Delhi police have increased their forces in all the sensitive areas of the capital city in view of the violence which is currently prevailing in part of the Haryana. So apart from it, what we do know is that VHP on the other side, they have also said that they are going to hold massive protests in parts of the capital city, including that of the VHP president, Mr. Alok Kumar. He is also going to join, and there are other of the followers of the VHP, the supporters of the VHP, the members of the VHP, they are also expected to join in huge number. So the police administration, they have to also make sure that the tensions should not further escalate in any part of the country, be it the capital city, the Rajasthan or the Haryana in particular, where the violence started in the very first place. So these are the details currently with us.
Okay, Nikhil, I'll request you to please stay with us because we have a reaction coming in from Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar. Let's listen in.
हमको जानकारी है कि नूह की जो एक दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण दर्दनाक जो घटना हुई, उस घटना में काफ़ी बड़ी मात्रा में नुकसान हुआ और अभी तक की जानकारी में 6 लोगों की मृत्यु हुई है। 2 होमगार्ड के लोग हैं, 4 सिविलियंस हैं और अनेकों घायल हुए हैं जो नल्लड़ हॉस्पिटल में, मेदांता हॉस्पिटल गुरुग्राम में, अन्य अस्पतालों में दाखिल हैं, जिनकी देखरेख उपचार किया जा रहा है। और पुलिस की जो 30 कंपनीज हरियाणा की और 20 अन्य कंपनी जो केंद्रीय सुरक्षा बलों की हमको मिली थी, जिनमें से 20 में से 3 हमने पलवल में, 2 गुरुग्राम में, 1 फरीदाबाद में और 14 जो कंपनीज हैं वो नूह जिले में डिप्लॉय की गई हैं। और सब मिलकर के वहाँ एक जो षड्यंत्रकारी इस प्रकार से थे, जो दोषी लोग थे, उनको पकड़ा जा रहा है। उनके लिए सर्च ऑपरेशन भी किया गया है और जो लोग भागे हुए हैं उनको पकड़ने की कोशिश की जा रही है। अभी तक 116 लोग ये अरेस्ट हो चुके हैं और उनको आज उनका रिमांड लिया जाएगा ताकि उनसे और जानकारी लेकर के जो भी लोग इसमें दोषी पाए जाएंगे उनको पकड़ करके उनके खिलाफ सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी। किसी को भी बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। हाँ, जो आम नागरिक हैं उनकी सुरक्षा करना ये हमारा दायित्व है। उस सुरक्षा के लिए हमारी जो सुरक्षा एजेंसीज हैं, हमारी पुलिस है, वो सतर्क है। बाकी हरियाणा में भी जो कोई छोटी मोटी घटनाएं हुई हैं वो सब कंट्रोल कर ली गई हैं, स्थिति सामान्य हो गई है। मेरी जनता से अपील भी है कि वो लोग शांति बनाए रखें और चूँकि आपसी तनाव में भाईचारा बिगड़ता है, भाईचारा बना करके रखने से ही अपने प्रदेश की खुशहाली है, तो किसी प्रकार की घटना को आगे न बढ़ने दें, ऐसा मैं जनता से अपील करता हूँ।